Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa. This is new Manhwa. Love wins. Chapter 1. Proud of my engagement, I was prepared to move to Canada. Jeng Mo pseudonym. I thought I was grateful for the life partner law alone. But thankfully, due to the Living Partner Act, same-sex marriage is legal, so I can remain in Korea. Day of same-sex marriage legalization. ABS News Bulletin. Some says marriage legalization wedding planner specialist. I'm a little worried about those who are gay women, because there are no men. Idiots note, this part was confusing, so it's probably wrong, but like I am dumb, so yeah. What is LGBT? Is it something like Mukti? In addition to the LGBT visualization campaign, the current regime. ABE News Bulletin Special Report. Citizen interview. No matter how good the world is, this is ridiculous. Return Our Sons. A Country by Leon Blood, Sweat and Tears of Youth. I think this is about the whole male's mandatory military service in South Korea. The legalization of same-sex marriage in Korea, which was unlikely, finally came into effect. Love wins. At 1 o'clock this afternoon in the square in front of City Hall, a pride parade was held to celebrate the legalization of same-sex marriage. In each city and ward office, people who report same-sex marriage were constantly visited. In the process of establishing a completely revised though 0xx education course, experts talked about how to express the appearance of same-sex couples in textbooks. We all should be portrayed as brave and beautiful human beings who just want to love. Ready for sex education and adoption conditions process. Some point out that it is inadequate. The world is noisy, but it has nothing to do with me. Meanwhile, the coming out of famous actor Judah Rung made a big impact in the entertainment industry. Even the actresses who are close to Judah Lang are caught in a scandal. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It was Judah Lang. I'm a lesbian. I've been dating women for 3 years. I knew it. I said it was meant to be. The rose had this bubble covered, so I have no idea what it's saying, so sorry if it's wrong. Sure you want to know? Yes, just say it. Physiognomy. Amulet. You have no luck in love, I see nothing. Oh tilde, so I'll just have to wait for the right one. No, not that. No, then what? Forever. Forever. At first I thought that the fortune teller was just bullshitting, but I only see you as a friend. Correct. I hate it. Correct. There's no difference. Roughly rejected. Rather than trying to drive, I push the brakes to the ground. I tried to do something that I couldn't do. Yoonche Bay call. Hello. Da Yoon. It's the lightning angle today. I'm not going. You have to get out. You weren't able to go to Pride today. I don't know. I can't even go to Jeonju today. Please go with me. Then don't go. Are you happy after that? Are you homosexual with such a light heart? In the meantime, if lightning goes out and the atmosphere rises, I had to go to see what I could do. Today is definitely a good day. It's the right weather, and for some reason, I feel excited, and if I don't go today, I'll somehow regret it. Ahaha. What is it? You are scared to date but go and show off your shoulders. Ha ha ha, are you crazy? Shush it. It's been a while since we went out, we should hurry. We're a bit late. Hello, come and sit. You're late, so log in short. Love wins. Pretty. Good thing I came. Game of death. 1. Put your hands down. Who is the who got caught? The hottest one here. Oh my, let's go out. 2. Youth right. Right. It's a true story. Cheers. I can't really drink. It tastes so good. How? I've been waiting to do this. Kill, marry, fuck time. What is kill, marry, fuck? Oh, it's someone you want to kill here, someone you want to marry, and someone you want to sleep with. But if 2 people choose to marry, they have to do a love shot. Oh, why are you talking about something like that? Wow, sounds like fun. It must be fun. Let's do it quickly. Now then, let's begin. Starting here, with me. Oh, I am interested. Haha. Well, let's see. Kill, fuck, marry. Kya, are you drunk? Is that why you're like this? Ha ha ha. Is it my turn now? What do? I like everyone. Oh come on Annie. I would. Kill, marry, fuck, yeah, like that. We both chose marry. It's a love shot, exciting. Oh Winnie, why are you killing me? That's too much. Haha, sorry. Then do you want to kill me too? Sounds good. All these proposals are strong. Hope it goes well. It seems to be good already. Later on, the two of you have to go to take pictures. Love shot 2, love shot 2, love shot 3. Wow, Kia, 3 kids, military exception. I'm not going to go. Best wishes. Da-yoon. A. Drink moderately. What is moderation? Eating and dying. What did I expect? Yeah, I am with Diane right now. She's asleep. I should have known. I shouldn't have came. What? Oh fuck. This is the pillow. Where am I? District office. It's cheap. What is this? What? This is a marriage license, just has her info on it. Marriage registration with my name on it. Ha-yoon Bai, who's that? No, I need to calm down. If I am holding this, that means it hasn't been submitted yet. What is this? Haha, what am I worrying about? Please shred this for me. Is there something wrong with the copy? It's nicely print too. Anyway, congratulations on your wedding. What? You are our 5th same-sex couple. What? I was going to give you a gift set, but since you seem to be in such a hurry. What? Da-yoon at just 23 years old has become a married woman. Shit. Thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa. This is new Manhwa. Love Wins. Chapter 2. It is premature to improve awareness every time searching for same-sex marriage legalization. It has been put off with the excuse of doing so. But perceptions and perspectives are subject to the law. Then I hope today will be a courageous day. Tears are shed during my lecture. Today's class will end here. Thank you. Club notice board. Yuna, you alright? What happened? Ugh, Yoonchae. OMG. And my memory ends there. I remember holding someone's hand. So when I woke up, it was a ward office and the marriage registration form. I asked for it to be shredded and it was a copy and done. What should I do? I couldn't even go home. Dropped out, head messed up, and imprisoned in a psychiatric ward. We all have that one mom friend. But, calm down, I don't think that'll happen. And I've read an article, hospitalization for conversion therapy is completely illegal, so let's enjoy that. Have you tried it? No, not really. So then, don't cry, just breathe or sleep, calm down. Your spouse's number is written down. Have you tried calling? I tried but they didn't answer. I'm finished. Did you see if they have a Kakao talk? No, Kakao. It's 3 in the afternoon. Maybe they're an office worker and can't pick up right away. Let's try again at 6 o'clock. Just wait here for now. Yoonchae. Who is Yoonchae? My best friend. She's always been a playful person even without trying. Aman. Yoonchae went to the same church retreat as I. The Lord is working. The Lord is moving up. The Lord is moving up. We didn't get along at first. Because we liked the same sister. Were you guys playing together? Come on, I'll get you both some ice cream. Like the saying that the real thing recognizes the real thing. We felt each other's gayness. But in vain, the sister started dating a choir boy. And thus our childhood crush ended there. After that, Yoonchae was good at dating while in a group. After a movie, while working. The only difference is that I am married. Everything's been set. Yoonchae said she'll be here after work. Hugh, really? I should probably head out now. Good luck. Right, thanks for everything. Text me later. Minute, I second equals I year. Time to dialogue. Stop. Hello, this is Yoonbi Hyo. I'm at the cafe. Where are you? I'm sitting in the back. Look around. Weird. Mang. I feel so that's what happened. Yes, that is correct. So, I don't remember. I thought it was a prank call at first. Just in case, I checked the family registry. We're really married. Then now we. Cancel the marriage and divorce me. So who'll be the one to give birth? Grinning. What did she say? A game of rock paper scissors. What is she talking about? Ready, scissors, rock, boom. A sudden loss. I won. Looks like you're the birth giver. Who is this woman? What is Da Yun's future? I am kidding, ha ha ha. Don't mess around like that. But honestly, I don't remember anything. Couldn't it be a computer error? I don't remember anything at all. I thought so too. The staff remembered though. They were congratulating me on the wedding, trying to give gifts too. Anyways, how old are you? 23. I like that. By the way, isn't 23 too young a age to be divorced at? Divorce. I can't do it. Cute. Haha, not like that. I was talking about applying for a marriage invalidation. You can't become the Republic of Korea's youngest divorcee. My heart is breaking. Because everyone was really drunk when we filled out the application, hopefully somehow it's invalid. Yes, then we wouldn't have to do anything. Now then, should we get some drinks? Yes. What? Don't want to go. No, it's not that I. Suddenly you. Sure, I'm going to be your ex-wife soon. But I don't think there's anything bad about getting along. So let's go. Suddenly. What? No helping it. You can call me Yoon B. And you are? Da Yoon. Sorry, I have trouble memorizing names. It's a common name. Can I just call you honey? What kind of expression should I have? It'd be nice if someone could tell me. Hopefully I look pretty. Oh honey, your face turned red. It's because of the alcohol. What is this? I thought drinking was boring. The two of you. This feeling of joy, as if a dam cracked. Happiness explodes, as if I am soaring through the heavens. I think this is my first time, except for Yoon Che. Drinking alone with a woman, so long time no see. What? That surprised me. Back then during our group date, you used a pseudonym. So I was more flustered when I saw the marriage registration. Haha yeah, but it was awkward to reveal my name in such a place. I mean, it's not like I'd see them ever again. Me. Except me. Yeah, you're right, except Da Yoon. Cheers. By the way, why did you do a love shot with another girl? Did I? I thought I was trying to enjoy Dayan before marriage. Ha ha ha. Were you jealous? Yes. No. Eat and relax. Say here. One more. Those two been here a while. Talking together like that. My mind went blank. And when I opened my eyes again, we were leaning against a wall kissing. I don't know if this is real or if this is a dream. This is my first kiss. And when I opened my eyes again, Yoon B, who was sleeping quietly, was next to me. Oh god, I don't understand what's going on. Yoon B and me looks so tired. We drank so much yesterday. My head is broken F. In it, I am crazy. That, legs. A bare leg. This Winnie the Pooh state. Not wearing anything bottoms. Did you? Wake up. Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.